Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Long haul investigation proposes that Chilliz cost might actually flood to $158.10 by 2050, which especially is genuinely critical. The cost of one CHZ would reach as kind of high as $3.98 by 2025, truly further appearance how the cost of one CHZ would fundamentally reach as high as $3.98 by 2025, which in a real sense is very critical. Chilliz cost conjecture recommends a chance of CHZ exchanging between $0.91 to $2.26 in 2030 in an in every way that really matters significant way. There by and large is genuinely potential for Chilliz cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as especially high as $112.1 toward 2040 in an unpretentious manner's end. Continuous information shows Chilliz in every practical sense is exchanging at $0.2520 or so they especially thought. Starting around Zo4 Walk 2024, Chilliz explicitly is exchanging at $0.5 in terms of its est rate with a value change of 102% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, or so they especially thought. CHZ fundamentally has an extremely all-out market cap of $1,351.98,104 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $108,356,545 in an unpretentious manner. This, for the most part, makes Chilliz CHZ fundamentally positioning at 76 in the digital money market, which by and large is very critical. In the event that you really are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially is the Chilliz cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Chilliz for the most part be by and large worth in 2024, or so they certainly thought? Is Chilliz a kind of wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2024 in a genuinely large manner? Will CHZ cost fundamentally outperform its untouched high, which for the most part is genuinely critical? These explicitly are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ's future, which explicitly is very critical. Chilliz CHZ value expectation 2024 as per the Chilliz estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the CHZ cost most certainly is supposed to, in a real sense, cross an especially normal value level of dollars on 2019. The normal pretty least value worth of Chilliz toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to basically be dollars on 242 in a kind of large manner. Besides, CHZ can truly arrive at a very greatest value level of dollars on 399, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Chilliz value expectation walk 2024. The cost of Chilliz generally is especially anticipated to really reach at a very least worth of $0.201486 in walk 2024, or so they in every practical sense thought. The CHZ cost could really arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $0.671 with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of $0.625 all through 2024, or so they all things considered thought. Chilliz CHZ value expectation April 2024. The cost for Chilliz in April 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $612 and $736. Truly further appearance how most certainly is Chilliz a truly wise speculation, or by and large worth purchasing in 2024 in a huge manner. While the extremely normal exchanging cost ought to especially be around $690 in a by and large huge manner. Chilliz value expectation May 2024. The cost of Chilliz explicitly is generally anticipated to in a real sense reach at an especially least worth of $680 in May 2024, which for the most part is very huge. The CHZ cost could truly arrive at a most extreme worth of $1.84 with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $757 all through 2024, which explicitly is very critical. CHZ value conjecture June 2024. The Chilliz estimate for June 2024 expects that the CHZ may in every practical sense arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $1.18 at 74 with an essentially least cost of around $766 by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Discussing the Sort of typical value CHZ can in a real sense stretch around 0.28 and 28 for June in an unobtrusive manner. Chilliz value gauge July 2024. In July 2024, the greatest cost for Chilliz could generally stretch around $10.65, so the CHZ cost could sort of arrive at a fundamentally most extreme worth of $1.671 with a typical exchanging worth of $1.625 all through 2024, which sort of is genuinely huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of CHZ in July 2024 fundamentally is $1.805 with a truly normal cost of $1.882 or so. They basically thought. Chilliz value forecast August 2024. The cost of Chilliz sort of is for the most part anticipated to sort of reach at a genuinely least worth of $1.28 in 43 in August 2024 in a by and large huge manner. The CHZ cost could by and large arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $1.41 with the especially normal exchanging worth of $10.20 all through 2024. Further appearance how discussing the genuinely normal value CHZ can generally stretch around $0.1828 for June in an unpretentious manner. Chilliz. Conjecture September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Chilliz for the most part is supposed to by and large be at around a genuinely least of $19.16. Lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Chilliz cost can really arrive at a sort of limit of $1.137 with the sort of typical cost of $9.78 in EST, which sort of is genuinely huge. Chilliz CHZ value expectation October 2024. The cost for Chilliz in October 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $19.40 and $2.16, or so they explicitly thought. While the fundamentally normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $17, which sort of shows that these are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ's future, or so they truly thought. Chilliz. CHZ value figure November 2024. For November 2024, the cost of Chilliz most certainly is anticipated to in a real sense arrive at a by and large normal cost of $17.58, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $317 and a genuinely least of $19.96. Chilliz CHZ value expectation December 2024. With respect to December 2024, Chilliz cost generally is gauged to truly arrive at an all things considered, most minimal cost of $42, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The CHZ cost could sort of arrive at a greatest cost of $3.99 with the truly normal expected cost around $1.19, which generally is genuinely critical. Chilliz for the most part past value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto sort of has been really diminished by 161% in its essentially current worth, or so they in a real sense thought. Assuming we fundamentally analyze the truly current market cap of the CHZ with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap truly is likewise down, which certainly shows that the cost of one CHZ would generally reach as beautiful high as $3.98 by 20.